Hello guys, welcome back. So today I am going to tell you how can we create a video pop-up using the Elementor free. So let me show you how can we do that. So I have already created a page, so I will just click on edit with Elementor here, and then from here I will make a video pop-up for you guys. So let me show you how can we do that. So let me scroll down. So here on this section, I want to insert a video. So I am already in widget section here, and here I will search for video. So here, the first one, just drag and drop the video here. Now you can see we have the video here, and then you just need to do anything. Just scroll down. So here you can see the image overlay. Just click on it. Then make it show. Now you can see, and then choose image. I will choose save image here, and then here is the image. So I will select it. Now here is the image, and then I will just click on let box here. So now and then just click on publish, and then let me show you view pop up here. So now when you just click on here, the video here. So now let me go back again, and let me show you. Okay, so now you can see uh, the image is not appearing properly. Let me delete, and from here just click on it here, just go to style and make the aspect ratio 916 or 25. Sorry, that make it 4 by 3 or 3 by 2 or 1 by 1. So now it looks quite perfect. Just click on publish again, and just go to the content. So if URL, so let me go to the URL here, and let me search my channel here, and let me go to YouTube here, and for example let me search my YouTube channel. So here it is. I will click on here,
When
and I will copy that. Let me copy any of the video, any URL. So let me click on share, let me copy, and let me go back here, and let me here example, then click on publish, and then go back here again, and then click on here. You can see here is my video. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, so you can ask in the comment section. So you can see we have the settings. You can make it mute, loop, or anything that you want. So lazy load is totally up to you. And then you can play with the settings, overlay, size, or box, each and everything. So it's totally up to you. If you want to change the icon, so you can change it from here. For example, if you want this icon, so this icon. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, so you can ask in the kindly don't forget to subscribe my channel.